Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for enhancing your online experience. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable Amazon Dark Mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension and its Night Mode feature. Dark Mode provides a sleek and eye-friendly appearance, reducing strain on your eyes and enhancing your browsing experience. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Open your Google Chrome web browser and click on the three dots icon. Then select the Extensions menu item, followed by Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. In the search box, type Turn Off the Lights and press Enter. Look for the stable version of the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension and click on it. Next, click on the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A new pop-up window will appear, and click on the Add Extension button. Great! Now that you have the extension installed, let's move on to enabling dark mode on Amazon. At the top, right-click on the gray lamp button and select the menu item, Options. The Turn Off the Lights options page will appear in a new tab. Select the Night Mode tab and then enable the checkbox that says, Show the night switch button below the web page to make the page dark or light. Now, open a new tab and navigate to the Amazon website. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look for the night switch located below the left side of your web browser window. Click on it to convert the current web page into your personal night mode theme. Wow! Look at that beautiful dark mode interface. The background turns to a sleek black, and the text and images stand out with enhanced visibility. It's perfect for browsing at night or in low-light environments. But wait, there's more. The Turn Off the Lights extension also allows you to customize the dark mode appearance. You can adjust the background and text color, and even allowing to keep it in dark mode when navigating to a new page. Isn't that amazing? Now you can enjoy a personalized dark mode experience while shopping on Amazon. So, that's how you enable Amazon Dark Mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension with the Night Mode feature. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your browsing experience on Amazon and other websites. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping in dark mode!